I am so hungry right now that I don't have the energy to get up and go downstairs and get something, because I know that I have ADD, and this moment that I step away from the camera, I'm going to be wandering off doing 2 million other things, and then we're going to be left without a video. So now, gotta check teeth. Okay, we're good. So today I'm going to be creating a royal blue. I'm going to be creating a smoky eye using my Urban Decay smoked palette. I'm going to put my focus today on this specific shade over here, which kind of matches my blouse. Not blouse, but sweater. So let's just get into it. To start off, I am using this flat brush. It's thin on the sides, and then when you turn it around, it's kind of flat. The reason why I use this specifically to pick up this shade is because if you use a fluffy brush like this, it doesn't pick up as much pigment versus this. It just kind of scoops out the shade. Anyways, I'm just grabbing that, dipping it into that shade. I'm just going to be patting that onto my lid over here. God help me, I'm going to have so many fallouts. Going to be going in with my Estee Lauder mini palette. Oh my god, this looks so weird. And I'm just grabbing this taupey shade over here to smoke out the edges. It's going to be something that we're going to be continuously repeating until we have the intensity that we desire. Okay, and then again, I'm going in with that blue shade and then patting on more. And then going in with that taupey color and just going into the crease. And next, I'm actually going to be going in with the color next to it, which is this one. It's a little bit of a darker brown. And I'm just going to be focusing that on more of the outer V, and whatever's left over, I'll bring over. I'm just going to be cleaning this off on my tissue over here, and then with a clean end, so I just wiped it all off, I'm just going to be going back and forth just to blend out the edges because we don't want any harsh lines. It's not going to look very pretty. So with this specific video, I'm just going to be doing one eye so you see how it's done instead of going back and forth, so I can make it quicker for you guys. And then I'm going to do the other eye off camera. So next, I'm going in with this shade over here, which is called Mushroom. I'm just going to be lining my lower lashes just till midway. Oh no! Oh, I have to do my under eye again now. So annoying. And I'm just using an eyeliner brush like this. It's very, very slim. And I'm just bringing that midway. For the rest of the eye, I'm just grabbing that same royal blue shade, and I'm going to be lining the rest of my eyes. And then to intensify the corners, I'm just grabbing this shade over here, which is called Asphalt. And I am just focusing that shade in the inner or outer corner. Next, I'm taking my Morphe palette in 35K, and I'm just going to be grabbing a little bit of this shade over here. It's a little bit of an orangey shade. And I'm just going to be running that over the crease area. Next, I'm just going to be grabbing my eyelash curler. I'm just giving my lashes a little oomph. And then I am going to be lining my eyes with my Revlon COLORSTAY pen, which looks like this. Nothing new. Next, I am grabbing my Telescopic mascara by L'Oreal. We're just going to be giving my eyelashes a little bit of length first. I hate when my eyelashes get stuck to it. And then while that's drying, I'm grabbing my Makeup Forever highlighter in Light Fusion. And I am going to be putting that in my inner tear dot just to open up my eyes a little. You guys, I realized that the intensity of the blue never came out the first time I did it, but I went off camera behind your back and I grabbed that same shade. I sprayed my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus before I re-dipped it, and oh my god, the shade totally came out. It did the palette some justice. Grabbing a little bit more to intensify the lower lash line as well, because if we're doing a blue shade, we might as well go all out with it and not leave it so light. Yeah, you see? Yeah, you see it's so much more intense. That's what it should look like. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous for the second coat of mascara, because the first one was just for length. This one is for volume. Alright guys, that's one eye. I'm going to quickly do the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, ta-da! We are back with both sides done. Finishing touches. I am going to be grabbing an inner eyeliner. This one is by Revlon COLORSTAY. I'm just going to be lining my waterline, the top one specifically, just because we want to make our lash line seem a little bit more fuller than it actually is. And is there anything else? No, I think this is done. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick and super easy last minute going. Oh my god, that is too long. We need to shorten that down. I don't know what's going on with my lips today. I feel like they are so chapped. I just cracked open my lip right over here and it's so painful. So gotta get that moisture into them. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As you guys could tell, it was super easy to do. It's great for those last minute events that come up that you guys are in a hurry for and you just need to get glammed up in a snap of a finger.